So we are currently living in New Zealand full-time in our van while also working full-time. We've gotten a lot of mixed reactions when we tell people what we're doing or explain our lifestyle. Some are confused as to why you would want to live in your van, or some feel sorry for us, but most are envious or a little intrigued about our carefree lifestyle. We thought we'd make a video to share what we've learned to make van life a bit easier. If you're curious about this lifestyle or have been thinking of living in your van full-time and wondering if it's the right choice for you, we're going to share some of the pros and cons that we've learned. In order to save money and keep up with our healthy eating, we buy and cook all our own food. We found that buying all our produce at local markets and then keeping to the grocery stores for all our other food works best for us. Since we don't have much storage space, we grocery shop daily. We only buy just enough food for dinner and to prep for breakfast and for our lunches for the next day. We only have a small cooler, which we have to buy ice for every other day, and a single burner stove. So in order to save time on cooking and dishes, we make lots of fresh salads, protein shakes, oatmeal, and eat lots of fresh fruit. We find this way of eating means we only eat what we're going to consume right away. This means that nothing goes to waste. I know lots of females are probably wondering about hygiene. We do shower every day, actually twice a day now. We made sure to join a gym that has 24-hour access. That way we can shower and get ready before work, and then after work we always work out, and then we're able to shower again and get ready for the evening. The bylaw in New Zealand states that we have to have a porta potty in the van to be considered self-contained. We've never used it because that's gross. We usually sleep somewhere where there's a public toilet, or we just don't drink a ton of water before we go to sleep. As far as laundry, we usually go to a laundromat whenever we need, which is usually a few times a week.
In the end, living in a van is a lot of hard work, but it's rewarding. Not only do we have more financial freedom, we aren't tied down to anything. We've adopted a minimalistic lifestyle since we don't have space for anything non-essential. We don't spend our money on things, we just spend our money on experiences. Our time is more valuable now, so less time is wasted in front of a screen and more time is spent on accomplishing goals and tasks.
We're at KAWHIA Beach. The objective is to dig a hole in the sand and then you'll hit natural hot water springs. Yeah, have a nice little hot tub on the beach, watch the sunset. You got to do this all during low tide, so we're gonna give it a go.
Digging us a hot tub.
How is it?
Hot.
Oh my god, it's hot.